Hi all, welcome again to my YouTube channel where you are going to master cloud and FinOps. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel so you will get the notification about my upcoming videos. So in today's video, we are going to talk about container cost management in FinOps. So nowadays you are aware that many of the organizations are moving towards the container or microservices. So obviously the container cost is also one of the key attributes which organizations want to address. However, in FinOps, this is one of the key challenge. So if you remember, I created a video as well in past where I treated container cost as a one of the key FinOps challenge. So now when organizations are adopting container more and more, so there are certain ways which organization can follow to optimize and allocate the container cost. So the example is the billing hierarchy. Then resource quota is also one of the container feature, or to be precise, the microservices feature which any organization can implement. And similarly, the labels and then namespaces. So these four are the common features which organization can use to allocate as well as optimize the container cost. However, as previously stated that even after doing all these things, there is a always challenge in terms of container cost allocation and optimization. So the key challenges are moreover based on the nature of containers. So in many organizations, multiple teams usually share the portion of containerized infra. So it is very difficult to look, basically allocate the cost of that container infra. The another key challenge with respect to containers life. So usually containers are the lightweight and ephemeral resources. So whenever anyone launch the containers, it works for a few hours or maybe few days. Usually one day it will do its job and then automatically it gets wiped out from the environment. So it is very difficult to allocate the cost of a resource which is not there or which will not exist in the ecosystem for long period. Then obviously containers are dynamic, as we said, like it can be launched and removed from the environment based on the needs via usually most of the organization integrate it with the CI/CD pipelines as well. So the dynamic nature of this infra is also one of the key challenge. And the most important thing is the tagging. So it is not the tagging capabilities like other resources like VMs or databases. So in containers infra, the standard tagging or general tagging will always, you will see that it is in the shortfall or it is not adequate to address the overall complexity of the total infra and its utilization. So just as in a recap, the nature of containerized infra is one of the key challenge which is creating an obstacle to allocate its cost fairly between the different teams and to the right stakeholder. And another thing is the container infra is getting shared between multiple teams. So again, it can, you can treat it as a shared resource or basically the shared infrastructure. So these are the couple of key challenges. So even there are the ways to allocate the cost, but those ways are not adequate. And that is the reason that containers or containerized infra was always one of the key challenge which organizations are still trying to address. So in this way, I wanted to talk about container cost allocation, optimization, and sometimes the key challenges what we are facing or what any organization is facing to allocate its cost fairly. So I hope you understood this particular aspects. In case if you also see any other challenge in based on your experience or any other way to allocate this cost, please feel free to put your views in the comment section. And in case if you have any query, that also you can put it in the comment section and I will try to answer that query. Do not forget to subscribe and share the channel so your friends also will get the benefited out of my content and you will also get the notification about my upcoming video. So that's all via this video I wanted to talk. Stay tuned with me for more videos and feel free to share your opinion. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.